Today we are going to make this bird. See, we need a match box, or if you have a mobile box which having this type of door, okay, this type of box. So this I am using a old invitation card, or old notebook cover, some color papers. Need a string, this type of string. If you don't have, you can use this type of thread which we use for making news. This string which I had, see this type of string, metal string, I had removed from the broom. See this, which you get. So if you don't have, you can remove with the help of your parents. You can remove, and I'm going to take one stick from this. See, if you don't have, you can use toothpick also. So I don't want any reason that we was not having material, so I'm showing this things which is available at home, like the broom, string which I had shown you. So let's start. First I'm going to cut this portion. If you don't have the mobile box, you can use the matchstick. I had this made from the match box only. Okay, so it's okay if you don't have, because if you have the mobile cover, so it's very easy. See, now I'm going to remove this also thing. I'm going to make empty. I'm going to use this for making a bird, or you can use the invitation card. It should be little bit stiff, like this magazine cover or your old book. This type of card sheet we will need. So let's start. First thing, I'm going to cover this. Okay, you can stick, or you can just make it in the size. The extra portion we will cut it. Just wrap it. Okay, if you don't have glue, see what I'm doing, I'm just wrapping it. That's all. Now the bird, keep it, draw the circle, cut it. Okay, after cutting it, fold it. See this circle into half. I had cut two wings, a head, okay, and tail. Okay, now joining this way and this way. See, now the bird is ready. So now first thing, just cut from this only a strip. This strip will be on your bird size. Okay, so how big your bird is there, so we are going to make this portion. So how big bird is there, that way you have to make your. See, now just keeping this way and folding it. Yeah, that's all. Now join this together and then poke it. Okay, now see that you're going to match with this color, so color this, or you can just paste the paper. See, now I have pasted the paper. Okay, now it's ready. Now make the hole in the center. Okay, make the hole in the center. See, at least little bit, keep a distance, and then now this will go here, stick here, stick here. First we will attach this. See, take a stick. Okay, view into this, to your stick. How big your stick is there, that big you have to make it. Now put this inside. See, this way, and the other hole, other side also. Just make it big. So this way. Okay, now put a glue on the corner in the center. Okay, let it dry. Okay, now make your hole. Okay, your hole. Okay, then put the string here, tie it. Now how much distance? See, so I'm going to cut it till here only. Open the drawer, and with the help of sellotape only you can stick. Take it. See the string. Here I am putting the sellotape. Okay. Even you can make a hole and tie this, but I am sticking it. Okay. Now See, when you open the see now, when you open the drawer, it comes up. When you close the drawer, it's go down. So this is your craft is ready. How it's open. So enjoy your craft.